Today was FOMC, the Federal Reserve meeting, and we had a lot of volatility, lots of swings high, lots of swing lows. But something that is really cool that I'm going to share with you guys today is how I was able to know where the market was going using some market data tools. So stick around with me in this video. It's going to be quick and straight to the point. It's going to be awesome. Okay, so every single Sunday I do a watch list on Discord here, and I posted in my channel, and I actually have a screenshot so I can share with you guys. It's a little bit blown up a little bit more. So I use something called aggregate GEX levels. It's all of the gamma within a certain stock, all the gamma. Oh my gosh, someone's at my door. Anyways, so it is all the gamma in a specific ticker. So in this case, we have SPY. There's a lot of exposure in those gamma, and dealers have to hedge. That's a whole different video. But this basically shows me where dealers are positioned in their option selling and buying, and it definitely moves the market one way or the other. If you guys are not familiar with this, I suggest going to watch some previous videos of mine. But this tool is very, very awesome. I use the 0DT gamma exposure levels as well as the aggregate ones, all of the expiration. But this basically shows me the levels where those dealers are at and where I can see reversals or price targets for that aspect. Okay, so every single Sunday I post this chart, which is the aggregate GEX levels, and then I plot my points below a certain level and then above a certain level. So in this case, on Sunday, I wrote out that if we are above 510 on SPY and we hold 515, we should see 516 and then 520. And that actually played out just today. So if we go on over here to the chart, this was today's price action. This is the 520 level right here. We did go above it just for a brief moment today. And then here is the 515 level down here. We actually bounced off of it today. And then earlier we broke through it the previous day on Tuesday. So what was really cool about this is since we broke above that 515 level, if we did hold above it, I was going to be targeting 516 and then 520 after that. And what better day to do it than FOMC day, guys? Okay, so and this actually did very, very well. So I do look at the aggregate GEX levels that happen on Sundays, and then I also look at the 0DT GEX levels that happen intraday. It kind of just makes it a little bit better. Everything is it's a little bit more clear once you use the 0DT GEX levels, and I'll show you what I mean by that. Okay, so we're gonna go on over here to my flow channel. Right off the bat in the morning, 6:30 is when the market opens. You can see that flow was extremely bullish right when the market opened, and then the 0DT GEX levels popped up, and you can see the range that we had here. We had this negative level at 520, which usually means a price magnet. So price tends to lean towards those very big negative GEX levels. So we did have a range here. So we had 511 to the downside if 515 was broken. You can see this large one here. But then if we were above 515, we could see 520 on this range on 0DT GEX. You could see, you can see exactly what happened today with the price action. So we did break above 520, or we were above 515 for most of the day. We did go back down to retest it about halfway through the day. It didn't get quite there. It was within 15 cents or so, but still we got a strong bounce right after that when the report came out for FOMC about the interest rate decision. Okay. Rate hikes, not interest rate decision. Okay, so yeah, guys, that was pretty much just how I predicted the market today. I did not get into longs, sadly. I don't really like trading on FOMC day, even though there's a lot of reward to happen. I don't really like the risk associated with it. But I did actually play some shorts. Surprisingly enough, there's a strategy that I've noticed over the past several FOMC meetings is when that report comes out right at the top of the hour. That first move happens, which today was the upside, and then once Powell gets on to speak at the press conference, the opposite move happens right at the 30-minute mark after that top of the hour report comes out. So that's what I did. In this chart here, you can kind of see what I did. So this is a $2 candle right here on SPY actually. So this is when the report came out, this big green one. We did get a little bit of consolidation sell-off, and then we did get a little consolidation, and we pumped up until leading Powell. Powell got on, and this 5-minute red candle to the downside is the one that I caught, which is funny. But yeah, guys, that's the strategy that I played today. That's the only thing that I played today on my option account. And a couple of you guys actually caught it in the live stream. So if you guys are interested in that, I'm going to post a link down below. Let me know what you guys think of this video. I will do more of these for sure. I will see you guys in the next one.